Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will tell you how you can log in into ChatGPT without phone number, how to log into ChatGPT without your phone number, without SIM. So in order to do this we have to go to our new tab, and here we have to go to our, so we have to write tab numbers for OTP. So we have to go to the first site. So in here I suggest you should choose a country which is not popular, so that you can get the OTP. So I will choose like Israel. So guys, here are some temporary numbers which are newly launched, like these are around 11 hours ago. So these are 6 numbers which you can use for OTP verification. So in order to do this we have to search, just click on this number and watch some ad. So after this, so now yeah, we just have to copy this number, like the number has been copied, and we just have to put this number in the ChatGPT number section, and we just have to refresh this. So after this step we will receive our OTP in the tab numbers. Okay, after this step, so ChatGPT says this number has been linked with the multiple accounts. So there's also a solution, so we have to click on paid temporary phone numbers. So here you can buy the phone numbers. So this is the website onlinesim.com. So order a phone number in your personal account, use it to receive SMS from sites. So this is a legitimate trust reference, so we will click on get access, and after signing up you have to buy your personal SIM, and after this you can easily make your account in ChatGPT. So this was the video. Thanks for watching. We will see you next video. Tab tak ke liye bye. Allah Hafiz.